I'm so excited to be here today with one of our newest fellows, Dr. Darin Ingels. So excited that you're here, more excited that you're a fellow now, but also I really wanted to talk to you more from the naturopathic realm of things and what you think of MAPS as being an ND and coming into this whole organization.
Yeah, well, that's great. MAPS has really been an important part of my clinical education. Coming out of naturopathic school, we're obviously trained in a lot of natural therapies, which are very conducive for the kind of medical illnesses that we're coming across with children with autism. But this has really been one of the first places where all these therapies get put together by experienced faculty. And I think it's the one thing I really appreciate about MAPS is having doctors who are in clinical practice day after day, who've got 10, 20, 30 years of experience that are really able to translate all this information and put it into clinical practice. And I just love the fact that there's such a heavy focus on diet and nutrition, herbs, things that are very much in line with naturopathic therapies and our philosophy. So it's just been really a great organization for me to continue my education, to learn how to teach and treat autistic children.
Yeah, because I follow you and I see that you go to a lot of conferences.
I do.
You're a great speaker. You speak at a lot of conferences. So I'm super excited that we're going to get him now on our faculty. So it'll be nice to have an ND, up there and teaching and so forth. So if you were to give any advice to like a young, student coming out of medical school or a naturopathic, college, what would you say to them?
Yeah. Well, I think, MAPS is a great organization. If, treating children, particularly children that have special needs, this is really a great organization to get involved with because you're going to learn a lot of very practical tools that you can implement in your practice tomorrow. So even if you're a newbie and you're still trying to figure out the world of medicine, this is really a great place to start getting your foundational functional medicine tools in place, and again, you can just start using in your practice tomorrow, and that's really helpful when you're trying to build your practice and grow it, and it's just a great opportunity. I definitely take advantage of it.
Well, we're so grateful that you're here. We're so excited that you're a fellow, and he's also great at karaoke, so we love our karaoke singers, but thank you so much for being here and being a part of MAPS. We really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks.